Hey everyone, I'm Julia and welcome to Crocoblock channel. We're starting a new series of tutorials dedicated to WooCommerce. In these videos, we're going to take a closer look at JetWooBuilder, and with the help of this plugin, we will create a product page and category page, and also design such pages as a cart page or my account page. Besides, we will create custom product filters and make a stunning mega menu for your store with the help of JetMenu plugin. If you are new to our channel, make sure that you are subscribed and don't forget to hit the bell to receive notifications. And in case if you missed it, you can watch our extensive JetWooBuilder plugin overview, so check the links in the description box below. Now let's get started. This new series of videos, I'm gonna start with creating a single product page. And before we begin, make sure that you have the latest versions of WooCommerce and JetWooBuilder installed and that all the necessary product information is added. This step is crucial as we're gonna create the templates that will pull that info from the WordPress dashboard. Now let's take a closer look at the plugin settings. Open Crocoblock dashboard. Find JetWooBuilder plugin in the list and click on Go to Settings. Here you will find the features for customizing the thumbnails effect. When the user hovers over the product picture, it changes to another image of the same product. If you want to add it, turn on the Enable Thumbnails Effect toggle and choose the animation type. The last toggle in this tab enables the template styles of WooCommerce pages. This means that the widgets will be rendered more consistently, which can somehow decrease the page download speed. Widgets tab allows you to enable or disable widgets offered by the JetWooBuilder plugin. All the widget toggles are sorted to blocks and turned on by default. If you think that you won't need some of the widgets, you can easily turn them off. In case if you want to use Compare and Wishlist widgets, make sure that you have them enabled. Lastly, let's open WooCommerce settings. Click on the last tab, JetWooBuilder. These are the settings for assigning our future templates to exact WooCommerce pages. Once we create our first page template, I'm gonna show you how to do that, so stay tuned. To create a template from scratch, let's go to Crocoblock Woo Page Builder. Click on Add New Template. Select Single as a template type and name it. Choose any layout that you like and finally click on Create Template. This is a pre-designed template that already contains the widgets needed for displaying the WooCommerce products. In case the product doesn't have all the required values, some of the widgets might be displayed incorrectly. You can see a gray box under the product title. It's the single rating widget, and this product has no rating for now, so the widget cannot show the info. As for the rest of the widgets, there are single image, title, rating, meta, price, excerpt, and add to cart widgets. Let's delete the elements we don't need. You can leave and use the single image widget or add any other widget for displaying product images. For example, gallery slider. On the left sidebar, find the Content tab and click on Enable Gallery. Enable Zoom as well, and let's proceed to the images and select Large for both image and thumbnail size. In the slider settings, let's toggle on the Equal Slides Height. In case if you don't like the navigation icons, you can choose different icons from the library or upload your own ones. Let's select the thumbnails instead of the bullets for the pagination type. Change their direction and position if needed. Under the thumbnails, choose the number for the visible items and adjust their width. This tab is optional, but I'm gonna delete the thumbnails icons. Under the gallery, you can untoggle the options you don't need and change the gallery icon. And in case you have a video in your gallery, here you can find the video settings as well. Let's proceed to the Style tab. Here you will find a bunch of settings for styling your images. Let's adjust the size and positions of the arrows. Then I'm gonna add some space between the thumbnails, and under the photo swipe trigger, let's enable Show on Hover option that will make our zoom button be visible only on hover. I'm gonna select top left for the position, then adjust the size and set the colors. I think it looks nice, so now I will style the right part of the single product page. Let's start with the top. I'm gonna add one inner section and one more column, and move title and price widgets. Let's quickly change the text font and color. Okay, as for the meta, I will just delete it and proceed to styling the excerpt. Single Add to Cart widget allows you to change all the items. Add to cart button, reset button, quantity, variations, etc. In my case, I have variable product, and it's a product type in WooCommerce that lets you offer a set of variations on a product with control over prices, image, and more for each variation. They can be used for a product like a short, where you can offer different sizes and in different colors. Once I change the button text and color, I'm gonna proceed to the quantity input, adjust the width, set a white background color, and change its padding. After you style the reset button, proceed to the last settings, variations select and variations title. As I am creating a product page for an online clothing store, I think it would be nice to add something like a size guide and wishlist and compare buttons. If you want to add them as well, make sure that you have JetCompare&Wishlist plugin installed and enabled. I wanted to keep the style simple, so I selected a white background for the buttons, changed the icons and text font. Lastly, I'm adding a single content widget. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that you have another widgets. You can leave them or delete and add any widget you like. As I already added all the necessary information to this page, I'm gonna delete this whole section and add single reviews form. Don't forget to update. And now we can check everything that we just created. Our single product template is done, and now it's time to assign it to the page. Let's go back to the dashboard. WooCommerce, Settings. Open the JetWooBuilder tab. Choose Elementor default for widgets render method to be able to use your custom templates. Then enable custom single product and select the template that you just created. Don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page and save the changes. In the next video, I'll show you how to make an archive product template and create a category page. I'll see you soon then.